Today I'm doing some shopping at the direct factory outlet. It's huge. There's all these different brand name outlets. So hopefully I'm going to find some bargains today. The weather is really, really different to what it was yesterday. It's insane how different this weather is. Yesterday it was hot and really humid. My hair was fluffing all over the place. And today it's quite cool. See, it's quite overcast and it's even raining a little, so super different to what it was yesterday. I'm hoping that the sun comes out tomorrow because it's supposed to be a pool party on at the event. The shops here, they don't open until 10, so I'm here and nothing's open yet. I'll just walk around. Oh, another piano shop. I ended up having to just pull my hair up because it just went crazy. It's too humid and I got rained on. I ended up buying a couple of pairs of shoes for my daughter back home, and now I think I'm just going to go home. That concludes my shopping. This is, I'm pretty sure, a direct factory outlet. But I actually found the prices were cheaper in the shopping centre, probably because I suppose these are designers. But yeah, it's a good experience nonetheless. They have a whole room dedicated to these thingies. I'm inside at the food court now and I just went to sit down and I noticed on the table they have handicap seating. Right where you come in, just like when you park your car. Basically. Back in the shops again buying some food to cook for dinner, and check out how many cakes there are here. This is just a normal shop. Look at how many cakes there are. Oh, I'd get that rainbow cake. This whole thing is just cakes. Oh, look at all this plastic. Not good. There is a bottle shop in this shopping centre. I've been to the shops and now I'm walking the dog. Charming moment. And then I'm going to make some meatballs. This dog likes to walk himself. Tell you what I've never seen in Australia before. A spider web like this. I know, Americans are so worried about spiders and stuff in Australia, but I have never seen that before. That's intense.